We are watching episode 9 of a video series on the construction of Enyimba Plaza, an ultra-modern shopping complex in Aba, commercial city of Abia State, Nigeria. Having finished with the major structural works of the ground floor, we will get on with the finishing aspects, starting with interior plastering. After several looting incidents by men purporting to be from the mayor's office, as well as different groups of youths from other neighborhoods coming to intimidate the workers, we decided to board up the place to provide a bit of buffer to enable workers to concentrate with their tasks inside, whilst we tried to secure a court injunction preventing future reoccurrences. This is very unfortunate and undermines the efforts of Governor Alex Oti, who has been working hard to lure investors into the state. Although this is not a residential building, the developer insisted on gauged plastering standard of finishing all through, so the tradesmen requested for a right mix of sharp sand and a finer glazed sand to get the best results. The marine boards used for the pillar and decking formwork resulted in a smooth concrete. Whilst this might first appear good, the problem with such smooth concrete is that it does not present an ideal surface for rendering plaster to bond properly. So to avoid plaster layer disintegration in the future, we had to spray a sort of bonding agent made of wet mixture of cement and sand to give the ideal grit textured surface when dry. With the wooden formwork removed and bonding agents applied where required, It was time for the plasterers to get on with their job. You will notice how well the recessed lighthousing points are now positioned in the concrete. All the electrician now has to do is to run wires through the conduit pipes connecting each point, and voila. As the plastering was going on, it was also a good time to hang and dress the windows, which each incorporates a burglary proof. We also started hanging some of the roller shutter doors in readiness for other finishing works, which continues in the next episode. For those just discovering the series, it's a good idea to watch previous episodes to see how we got here. A link to the playlist will pop up at the end of the screen. Please subscribe to the channel if you find the content helpful. Join me again in the next one. Like the content, leave us a comment and share. Until I come your way again, I leave you with my best wishes.